Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Bichos or the Bugs collection. But before we do that guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button down below, and while you're at it guys, make sure to hit that bell as well. So that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or start a new live stream. And guys, if you like this collection, if you like this bug, make sure to leave a like down below. And well guys, let's go, let's get into this. Okay guys, so we have the magazine and our new Asian diving beetle out of the plastic, and now we're going to check out the magazine. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. And guys, as I said before, this is the next in the Bichos or Bugs collection from La Nacion here in Argentina. And this is the Asian diving beetle or the Escarabajo Bucador Asiatico. And this is a big photo of him. And down here it says that we're gonna learn everything about diving beetles. So we're gonna open this up. Okay, so on the inside cover, it shows you all the different parts of our new beetle. On the slide, which we'll check out later, it shows you the head, the legs, where the eyes are. And here it gives you a little description. It says here that they can reach up to 5 centimeters in length. And here it talks a little bit about their habitat, as well as some general observations about them. And over here it tells you a little bit more in general about the diving beetles, with some nice up-close shots of them in the wild. Here it shows you the scientific classification of this species. And we're gonna continue. And here it talks about how they are born to swim. So these guys are very happy swimmers. I saw that they are basically nature's scuba divers. So they are well adapted to swim. And there you have nice drawings. A nice big drawing there. Let's zoom out a bit more so you can see that. Very cool. And well, alright. Where do they live? They like to live in calm water, evidently. And let's see, here are their main habitats. Lagoons, rivers, that sort of thing is their cup of tea. And let's see, where are they from? All over the world. Let's see. There are 2 species in the United States, and it seems part of Mexico. And over here we see them widespread across Europe and a bit of Asia as well, but only it seems this particular species that we got. I really like him because he doesn't really show it in the pictures, but he's actually very sparkly. And here it just gives you a bit more information. And I know I always say this, but the drawings in these magazines are just awesome. So here you can see them swimming in their environment. It looks really cool. They even added like little flowers and plants that they could hide in. It's really cool. And well, we're gonna turn the page here. Here it talks a bit about their larval state. And here it talks about their main prey, the main guys they go after. So snails, aquatic snails, as well as tadpoles, and even fish. Little fish they go after. That's pretty impressive, guys. And over here, like with all of the animals and all of the bugs, they have their predators. So they eat fish, but they also get eaten by fish. And also, of course, birds eat them as well as other bugs. So it's a bug eat bug world. And we have this nice little owl here who got himself a nice little diving beetle as a snack. And we have this crane who's looking for those same beetles. All right, we're gonna turn the page here. And here just gives a little bit more information about them and their larval state. And how they are really excellent swimmers. And here it says useful beetles, and it talks about how these guys are really awesome. And here are some of these beetles in their larval state. And here, like always, we have the puzzles at the end that you can see there. And well, guys, that is the end of that. So now it's time to check out our new Asian diving beetle up close and personal. Okay, guys, so there is our new Asian diving beetle. Isn't it cool? It's like kind of sparkly. It's like this greenish, sparkly color, and it's just really nice. And well, I'm gonna show you guys this side there, and you can even see that coloration even a little bit better, as well as his little legs that are sticking out there. And I'm gonna show you his back side there, which there isn't much to see there, but let's go to the other side. And again, you see that really pretty green sparkly color. That's just gorgeous. And I'm gonna show you his undercarriage here. It's got a bit of silver in it, which is really pretty. And I'm not sure if you guys can make that out, but there's his little face there. And well guys, I'm gonna put him back on the table. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're at it guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And while you're moseying around down there, make sure to hit that bell as well, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And well guys, have a great day. Make today awesome. Bye!